Another competition from World Radio Gardening, and thanks to Stiga. The question is, when do the buds for next year's flowering form on rhododendrons and azaleas? So which months are really important to keep your plant well fed and watered so it produces buds for next year? It's not a single month, it's several months, so listen out for that. And here we have a Stiga pair of shears, a Stiga lovely pair of secateurs, and a lovely pruning saw with triple ground teeth. It'll cut up to a diameter of 150 millimeters. So what a great prize. 3 great cutting tools, hedging shears, secateurs, and a pruning saw. And the question once more is, when do the buds form for next year's flowering to produce flowers on rhododendrons and azaleas? Send your answers to our competition to post@worldradiogardening.com, and you could be the winner of these lovely Stiga cutting tools.